Hello everyone, welcome to English with Ease.com channel. In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you about the different parts of speech. To those newbies in learning English, the different parts of speech is the first stage to learn before you can speak and write in English. The different parts of speech has 9 kinds of nouns. Let us define what is nouns. Nouns are names of people, places, things, ideas, and events. Kinds of nouns. Number 1. Proper nouns. These name a specific person, places, or thing and always start with a capital letter. For example, Andre, MSA, Philippines, and December. Number 2. Common nouns. These are the general names. For example, writer, building, baby, car. Number 3. Mass nouns. These cannot be directly counted and are taken as a whole. They cannot also be made plural by adding s or es at the end. For example, salt, sugar, damage, water. Number 4. Count nouns. These are the names that can be easily directly counted. They can also be made plural by adding s or es at the end. For example, dress, piano, brush, can. Number 5. Abstract nouns. These are names of ideas, qualities, conditions, or emotions. They cannot also be made plural by adding s or es at the end. For example, success, beauty, intelligence, happiness. Number 6. Concrete nouns. These can be perceived by any of the 5 senses. They can also be either count or mass nouns. For example, chair, rain, lightning, food. Number 7. Collective nouns. These are the names of groups of people or persons, things, or animals. For example, bank, flock, crowd, family. Number 8. Compound nouns. These are nouns that are made up of more than one word. We have an example of types of compound nouns that I have been drawn in the picture. We have separated, hyphenated, and combined nouns. In separated noun, you have 2 words. Hyphenated has its own hyphen, and the combined should be 2 words in combined words. For example, police station, bubble bath. In hyphenated, we have editor-in-chief, hand-me-down, ballpen, seaman. Number 9. Adjectives that function as nouns. Adjectives may be considered nouns when they represent people. They come after the determiner the. The verbs may immediately come after them. Also, they are considered plural in number. Therefore, if they are used as a subjects in sentences, plural verbs come after them. For example, the determined success. The senator gave the jobless employment. Remember that mass, abstract, and some concrete nouns are considered a non-count. Thank you for watching and please subscribe. Bye!